Again, they created a model, and shout out to Sanjay who shared it with me as well last night, of the percentage of assets under management and the inflows expected into Bitcoin funds and the impact on price. So I took this and I created my own model breaking it down. And basically, this is the summary. You have your inflow of dollars. So, for example, and this was done when the price of Bitcoin was $35,715 a few weeks ago. Now it's at 44,000 and change. Anyhow, you can see here if $627 million goes into the fund, the price will go up by 4,595. They seem to take it in $620 million dollar increments. But the problem is, as the price goes up, also many things change. So having a linear relationship here, I don't think makes much sense, because there will also be more scarcity as more money comes in.